two investing giants. One crucial decision, Fidelity or Vanguard, who actually takes the lead for your money. On one side, you have Fidelity, renowned for innovation and powerful tools. On the other, Vanguard, the legendary pioneer of low-cost investing. We'll compare them on what really matters: fees, investment options, customer experience, digital tools, and more. Forget the marketing talk. Let's break down what everyday investors actually get. Each area earns points. By the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, quick roadmap. Here's what we're going to cover: fees and commissions, investment choices, platforms and tools, customer service, account flexibility, ease of use, research options, and of course their overall reputation. Whew, I know, it's a lot, but stick with me and you'll know which one's cut out for what you need. Alright, let's kick things off with fees and commissions. Now, honestly, this category can make or break your wallet in the long run. So, Fidelity really flexes here. No commissions on stocks, ETFs, a ton of mutual funds, plus 0 expense ratio index funds. I mean, that's wild. And hey, no account minimums either. The only thing is, if you're picking third-party mutual funds, watch for sneaky fees. Vanguard's awesome too, no commissions for stocks and ETFs, and their index fund fees, still super low. But, and it's a bit of a bummer, brokerage trading can get a little pricier, and some funds have minimums. Verdict? Fidelity just edges out Vanguard on cost. Moving on, investment options. Fidelity straight up spoils you. Huge list of funds, tons of stocks, bonds, options, even crypto. Their active and passive fund lineup, super solid. Only catch? If you're new, the sheer number of choices can make your head spin. Vanguard, I mean, they basically wrote the playbook for index funds and ETFs. If you want to keep it simple and passive, it doesn't get better. But let's be real, outside of their own funds, the selection is kinda slim, and options trading is limited for some account types. Short version, Fidelity gives you ALL the toys. Short version, Fidelity gives you ALL the toys. So that's an easy win. Next up, platforms and tools. Fidelity, no joke, has award-winning apps and web tools. You get real-time data, customizable dashboards, all the charts and research you'd ever want. Now, I'll admit some of the advanced stuff has a learning curve, but that's almost a good problem to have. Vanguard, on the other hand, is like, hey, want to keep it simple. And that's great if you just want to check your portfolio and go enjoy your day. But if you're into active trading, it's kind of basic. So for features, gotta hand it to Fidelity again. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Vanguard actually pioneered the first index fund for individual investors way back in 1976. Total game changer for investing as we know it. Customer service, so important if you ever actually need help. Fidelity is on another level, 24/7 phone and live chat with over 300 actual branches you can walk into. Now, I'll be honest, sometimes wait times can drag if something crazy is happening in the market. Vanguard, they do have phone and email support, and some phone lines even stay open late or weekends, which is kinda nice. But no live chat and no branches at all. If you need that human touch, this one goes to Fidelity. Alright, let's talk account types and flexibility. Fidelity's list is, honestly, it's nuts. Individual and joint, all the retirement options, trust accounts, HSA, 529, custodial. You name it, they've got it. Vanguard hits most of the basics like brokerage, IRA, 529, and trusts. But kinda surprisingly, no HSA or cash management. Basically, if you need something specialized or want options for the whole family, Fidelity takes this one without even breaking a sweat. Ease of use. And here's where it flips a little. Honestly, Vanguard absolutely nails the whole simple, easy, stress-free vibe. If you want a no-fuss experience, especially if you're a buy and hold kind of person, you'll love Vanguard's super clean, straightforward interface. Fidelity looks great too, and getting started is quick, but all those advanced features can get a little overwhelming, especially if you're just dipping your toe in. So for pure simplicity, Vanguard lands the win. Research and guidance. How much hand-holding or deep digging do you want? Fidelity is kind of a goldmine. Third-party analysis, news, tons of screeners, even access to human advisors, and a pretty beefy robo-advisor. Only catch? Sometimes there's almost too much info analysis paralysis is real. Vanguard does offer planning tools and general guidance, but if you want deep research, you might feel a bit left out. This category? Fidelity's got it. Let's finish with reputation and stability. And honestly, this one's a tie. Fidelity has crazy trust and backing. Think decades of experience and gigantic asset totals. Vanguard though? I mean, these guys literally founded index investing. If you want rock solid, you're golden with either. So, when we map out all those scores side by side on a chart, you can totally see where each platform shines. Fidelity is the all-rounder, stacking up just a bit more everywhere except for that pure, easy-to-use experience where Vanguard really holds its own. So, what's my honest take? If you want variety, powerful tools, help every step of the way, and low costs, yeah, it's gotta be Fidelity for most investors. But listen, if you're all about set it and forget it, crave simplicity, and care about index funds above all else, Vanguard's still an absolute legend. You really can't go wrong, but Fidelity just squeezes out the overall win here. Hey, if this comparison made your decision any easier, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next